Today's video is on the top 3 best shower chairs for elderly. Through extensive research and testing, I have put together a list of options that meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or the use of it, we've got you covered. For more product information, I have included affiliate links below, updated for the best prices. Now, let's find your top pick. Number 3, best budget, Medokare Premium Shower Chair. Looking for a sturdy, comfortable, and easy-to-use shower seat? This HSA and FSA approved shower seat is designed with non-slip rubber feet and a supportive backrest, ensuring added safety for elderly adults, pregnant women, or anyone with a handicap who needs extra stability in the shower or bath. For those who enjoy taking longer baths, this heavy-duty shower chair offers the perfect blend of comfort and convenience. It features a padded seat and easy-to-grip handles, making time in the shower as relaxing as possible. Additionally, it includes a shower caddy to keep bath products within easy reach. Understanding that everyone has different needs, this lightweight shower chair, weighing just about 7 pounds, is adjustable to fit most showers and tubs. Users can easily set it to one of 6 different heights, making it a perfect fit for any individual. This shower chair is versatile, with customizable leg heights ranging from 16 inches to 20 inches. Users can easily adjust the height by sliding the legs up or down and securing them with anchor pins. This feature ensures a comfortable fit for users of all sizes. Assembly is a breeze with this shower stool. No tools are required. With easy grip screws and a simple step-by-step manual, it can be set up in no time. Despite its lightweight design, it supports up to 350 pounds, offering both strength and stability. The shower seat is thoughtfully designed to make showering safer and more enjoyable for everyone. Number 2, best overall Sangohe Shower Chair. Imagine stepping into your bathroom and knowing that you or your loved one can enjoy a safe and dignified shower experience. That's what this shower chair offers, especially with its enhanced privacy design. The U-shaped seatboard is specifically crafted to provide extra privacy for elderly and handicapped individuals, ensuring that everyone can wash up comfortably and with dignity. Now let's talk about the heavy-duty aluminum frame. This isn't just any ordinary frame. It's reinforced to hold up to 330 pounds, providing the durability and stability you need for a secure shower. You won't have to worry about the chair wobbling or feeling unstable because this one is built to last. Safety is a top priority, and the optimized safety features of this shower chair show that. The legs are uniquely angled and come with non-skid rubber tips, which help distribute weight over a larger area. This design choice significantly enhances safety and stability, giving you peace of mind during every use. But what makes this chair stand out is how customizable and user-friendly it is. The back and handles are removable, and the legs are height adjustable, ranging from 27 to 33 inches. This means you can tailor the chair to your exact needs without any hassle. Plus, assembly is a breeze. No tools are required, and everything you need is included. Finally, let's not forget about the efficient anti-slip design. The seat itself is extra wide, measuring 16 inches by 15 inches, and it has strategically placed drainage holes to minimize the risk of slipping. The anti-slip handles are spaced 24 inches apart, offering a secure and comfortable grip. This shower chair isn't just a seat. It's a thoughtful, well-designed product that puts your safety, comfort, and dignity first. Number 1, our pick, Platinum Health Carousel Sliding Shower Chair. Looking for a shower bench that's a cut above the rest? The Nullify Professional Grade Sliding Transfer Shower Bench is designed for just that. Safe, effortless transfers in and out of the tub. Whether you're using it as a bath or shower chair, you'll appreciate the smooth sliding and pivoting features that make getting in and out a breeze. Platinum Health products are trusted in thousands of hospitals, nursing homes, and private homes, all by customers who prioritize quality, safety, convenience, and comfort. And if you have a tub with a high ledge, no worries. There's an optional leg extension kit available. One of the standout features of this chair is the padded seat, back, and armrests. Say goodbye to those old-style bath chairs with cold, slippery, hard plastic parts. The well-crafted Carousel chair offers warm-to-the-touch, slip-resistant padding on all main components, ensuring a comfortable experience. The medical grade closed cell molded polyurethane padding won't absorb water and is easy to clean and disinfect, so maintenance is a breeze. But it's not just about comfort. The swivel seat, space-saving design of this shower chair also adds a layer of convenience and safety. Unlike standard fixed seats, the swivel seat allows for easier use and takes up less space in your bathroom. This is great not only for the user, but also for others who may not need the chair, as it leaves more room in the bathroom. Safety is at the forefront of this design, especially with the robust weight-bearing armrests. These padded armrests provide extra support and can be used as leverage points to help users get in and out of the chair. They also offer both physical and psychological reassurance, reducing the risk and fear of slips and falls. For those with vision impairments, the high contrast HI View blue color makes key parts of the chair easy to see. Unlike old-style white benches that blend into the background, this vibrant blue color helps distinguish the chair from its surroundings, significantly reducing the risk of slips, trips, and falls, the leading cause of injury-related deaths in people over 65. So if you're in the market for a shower chair that combines safety, comfort, and convenience, the Nullify Professional Grade Sliding Transfer Shower Bench is worth considering. Remember, we've done the hard work, sifting deep into the research so you don't have to waste time on subpar products. For more product info, check the affiliate links below or our website, toppick3.com. Thanks for watching.